Dada. That's a good one. The best one so far.
The best one so far.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island Family channel.
Wait. Come.
Today we're going to go to Mobe. We're on our way to Mobe. We just first came to pick up Babe's wedding ring because it's getting resized, which was a bit of a drama with it. Actually, the drama with it was basically he came 3 times yesterday and they kept sending him home, and yeah, so now I'm in trouble. Yes guys, so what's up? So guys, we finally picked up the ring.
Yeah, got it right here.
He's got it on now. It's a good pick and good fit for him. The only problem is I feel like they've done a bodgy with it, because when I bought the ring, it was, the MS on it actually was a little bit more, it was in running writing. That's just more like 2 initials up and up. And then also said 925 on it, which is like the amount of silver it is, which is 925. I think it's like a 9 carat silver. So yeah, I'm still a little bit iffy about it, eh? Like honestly, they made him come 3 times yesterday. Sorry about that guys. They made him come 3 times yesterday and they kept sending him home, and this morning we come and then we still had to wait another 10 minutes. So I just feel like it's
I left my phone.
bodgy as.
I left my phone.
Where'd you leave it?
In the car.
Ah, he left his phone. He came to pay his internet bill, guys. Alright.
Hold him here.
Yes, I die. You know why? For real star, for true. Me die for the youths them. Me die for the youths them. Long time, but now I left them out. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things. Not money. We say youths for your things. Ocean land, car and van. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things. Not money. We say youths for your things. Ocean land, car and van. Enough got the money, don't got the money. Enough got the money, don't got the money. Me not give a drink, me a give a start in a life. If you come back a beg, that mean you know why the youths them dirty. Enough criticize when the youths them clean. Them come and sympathize. Them say me a the done from Portland, but this I done and I do not know where wrong. For rich people me sit down, for poor people me stand. I and I now mix up with dirty Babylon. Am I right, am I wrong? I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things. Not money. We say youths for your things. Ocean land, car and van. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things. Not money. We say youths for your things. Ocean land, car and van. Take a shoes, take a pants, take a shot. You know see how hard them have you a walk. This a not election time. Come with pretty smile, me a run money pon the youths. Them like River Nile, long a Portland. Go left a portion, hold on Kingston. Me a bring some. We see if you happy. That a my law. People take advantage when you a papa. Gun all the book, which one you rather? I know everybody have a mother, much less father. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things. Not money. We say youths for your things. Ocean land, car and van. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things. Not money. We say youths for your things. Ocean land, car and van. Mine. Don't got the money, enough got the money, don't got the mind. Me nah give a drink, me a give a start in a life. If you come back I beg, that mean you know why the youths them dirty. Enough criticize when the youths them clean, them come and sympathize. Them say me a the done from Portland, but this I done nah do not know where wrong. For rich people me sit down, for poor people me stand. I a night now mix up with dirty Babylon. Am I right, am I wrong? Amaze the youths for your things. Amaze the youths for your things.
So we are on our way to Montego, and we are just passing, what's that parish called that we just passed?
We're still in St. Mary.
Oh, we're still in St. Mary. So yeah, so we're kind of going towards Ochi now. So, but I just wanted to show you guys the view. Like, it doesn't always do justice, but you know, be careful here. The roads are a little bit as well. Be very careful. Yeah, so it's a little getaway, if you want to call it, honeymoon sort of thing. Obviously, as you all know, it's not much of a honeymoon when you have a baby. That's why you go on a honeymoon, to make babies. But you know, ours one just came a little bit earlier. Isn't that true, Daddy? True. So yeah, so just a little getaway, I guess. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I wouldn't mind surfing those waves. Not that I know how to surf, because I don't. Yeah. Ooh, the roads are really sharp around here. Yes. So, Mr. Smith.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, I remember we used to do a lot of this, you know, first and second time. But yeah, this time it's more, you know, we keep it more local, you know.
Yeah.
It's nice to actually get a little getaway.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, excited right now.
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely exciting, guys, because I mean, we never really planned this prior. Like last times I came here, we always planned everything. Like what the hell was that? A guy flinged a rock at my car, babe.
Which guy?
No, the car. Their car,
Oh, the
rock. Yeah. Jesus. Oh, bloody hell! Everyone would have heard that.
Yeah, I probably left a dent in the car.
It probably did too. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so that's crazy.
138 miles to go to Montego.
There we go. Yeah, so we just want to get there a little bit earlier so we can go for a swim maybe before it gets too dark and you know, island and stuff. So that's how we're gonna do it. And 5-0, hopefully you ain't gonna pull me over and be like, yo, you shouldn't be filming while you're driving the car. But anyway, it's a bit different I think here than in Australia with the driving laws and whatnot. Yeah, did you see that sign there? It said we buy houses cash. That's weird. It must be like some sort of like broker or something. So as I was saying, yeah, like Babe was saying, it was nice. It's nice to get out, you know, and out of Porty for a day or two and just, you know, go and explore and venture out in other parishes. And because we kind of liked Montego the first time we went, we thought, oh, we'll go back there. We never stayed in Ochi, but who knows, maybe, just maybe, we might stay in Ochi, we'll see. Because we've never stayed here before. And also Negril wasn't our favourite. I mean, the beach was beautiful, the water was beautiful, but yeah, probably not. I wouldn't go back there. You reckon, babe?
There's not much more to do than the Long Beach.
Yeah, true. And Rick's Cafe and that, like, there's not much more to do there. But if you've been to Negril and there is so much more to do, let us know, comment down below, because I mean, from what we saw, was only just the beach that really, you know, everyone goes for. So yeah.
guys, so we just pulled up at the hotel.
Just put up, guys.
Yeah.
Hello.
What's it called again, dear?
Deja Resort.
Deja Resort.
We're gonna check it out, guys, so we can do a review on it and whatever.
Yeah, man. So we just pull up, guys. So, yeah, we'll let you know, guys. Let you know what's happening. Reservation time. Alright. Alright, guys. So going to our room now. Alright, guys. We're here now. Going all the way up. So, yeah. Yeah. Nice. You got me stifling my mask.
There you go, guys.
No elevator. No, let's go. No elevator first.
Nope.
You let me stifling my mask for you. Look at the mask here. I'm actually stifling my mask. Oh, this is the pool.
Oh,
Okay.
lovely.
Interesting. Nice. No, I love the water already. No, I love the water already. Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's the Wi-Fi code on here. On here.
Okay.
Good. Yeah. Take a dip in this later.
No, man? Oh, thank you. Oh, lovely.
Nice.
We have a balcony outside. Right here.
Nice.
Lovely.
This is about the key.
Even though it smells nice in here, guys.
That's fresh. My Jesus.
Sounds good.
Oh, watch them or something. No, watch them thing here. Come to them.
What is going on?
Hello, Mr. Bobo. Hi. Are you happy? Yes, you are? Nice.
Hi.
Hey, boy.
All this ride for what?
Tell you.
Hey. So, guys, probably gonna go to the beach. Maybe.
What's the time
We've
now?
got
Let me see.
access to the beach. And she said something about dinner.
It's 3:37 now. Yeah. Yeah. Still have some time.
Yeah. It's a nice little hotel.
Yeah, more I'm pissed though. I've been dying on the journey, guys. Well, let's see the balcony area.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. So, just gonna do a little quick tour.
Give them a tour of everything.
Alright, so you showed them the pool, little linen cupboard there. Wow, toiletries, babe. Memories.
Yeah, well, I let me come home with me.
Well, yep. Oh,
I like
yeah.
back none of them.
They're free, so you can take them home. Oh, wow, okay. Nice little shower there. It's probably not as upper classy as the S Hotel, but it's still good. Yeah, it's still a nice little bed, so Arlen can sleep finally by himself. I know it's supposed to be a little honeymoon, but you know. So that's what it is.
You pull this in, honestly.
Hang on, babe. Hang on, babe.
Oh, this have to come down, open.
That was locked.
Oh. What? Nice.
All right.
Sit here, I'm deep on my neighbor them.
Yeah, so that's it. And baby coconuts growing on the tree. That's where we stayed last time, guys.
Yeah,
the S Hotel.
right across.
We could stay there maybe tomorrow night. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, at the end of the day, it is our honeymoon and we should make the most of it.
Yeah, man, it's amazing. Happy to be here. Yeah, man.
That's it. We're here, guys. So we're going to go for a swim.
Yeah, man. So we are going to get ready and ting and we'll catch you guys later from now.
Catch you later from now.
Alright, guys. So ready now. We are going on the beach. It's right across the road. So yeah, man.
Did you bring your mask?
I have it in my bag. I believe I do. I believe I do. Check for me. Oh yeah, I do have it. Wait a minute. We can walk here as well. Seems like. Just in general.
Okay, thank you.
Is this here? This lead right out?
Yeah, man, but just right at the second, the first was without steel.
Alright, cool. Here guys. Oh, look at me.
Yep. Yes, guys. So just yeah, going down to the beach across the road, to Doctor's Cave. Oh, there's a jacuzzi. So the grill, the bar. Oh, okay. What's this here? Cafe, coffee shop. Ooh, jacuzzi. Gonna have to try the jacuzzi island, boy. Mommy and Daddy's honeymoon. Huh? Yeah. So. That's for you for helping us. Thank you. Thank you, babe. I just need to get my hat and Bobo's hat. Thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Going to the shop. Going to the office mark shop right in the beach.
All right, thank you.
Okay, guys, you're
So,
welcome.
thanks. Hi.
Yeah, man.
Heading to the beach, right?
Yeah, to just after 2 passes, please.
What's your
288.
288?
288.
What's your last name?
Mizaki. Well, you can put as a Smith. We just got married, so Smith. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Alright, so you need towels as well?
Yeah, we'll get 2 towels. Yeah.
So you'd have to check the towels out right here. So you sign the date, your last name, your number, the day you check out, the amount that you want in your signature.
Okay.
Such a cute baby.
Thank you. Nice resort.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, so I just got some towel, guys. We're gonna go to the beach. Alright, guys, so we're going across the road. Noise. Woo. Okay. Yeah, man. Alright, respect.
Remember Starbucks?
Yeah, Starbucks.
Starbucks, guys.
Yeah. Alright, so it's been a while since we've been here, huh?
Been a year or something.
Yeah, man, we'll go down. Yeah, man. We have to wear a mask. I'm gonna put mask on.
Gotta put it on. Sanitize. We know the drill. Sanitize your hands, guys. Oh, pretty, guys.
So we really do have to wear a mask? I don't think so.
I think once you get down here, probably not. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm getting it off. Take it off.
Yeah.
Ooh,
That's
wow.
so bright. So, brother, you have to know for the vacation. Huh? Now we don't go for the vacation. Let's start that. Oh, we're good.
No, we're good. We're on a honeymoon, so we don't really want tours. Thanks. Yeah, guys. Honeymoon. We're not here for tours.
Probably need a beach bed or something.
Yeah, I think you gotta pay for those.
Yeah, I wonder how much.
I'm not too sure.
Been a while.
Here, guys, so this is the famous Doctor's Caves beach. Yeah.
That's what the beach is called as well?
Yeah, Doctor's Cave Beach. Yeah. Alright.
Very windy.
It is very windy.
Hey guys, so we get one of the umbrella them. You know, because the sun is pretty hot out here. Yeah, man. That's what's up, guys. Weather is not that great. those birds, Island. Island, look at the birds. Huh? It cool?
No, I'm gonna hold the camera.
Yeah.
It's a girl.
Boy.
A boy.
It's a boy?
Yeah.
Movie star. Alright, guess what? Just give the last guard it 750, okay?
Oh, I don't have it changed. I told you I have.
Yeah, man, give me, man. You can't find something.
Alright.
Island. Yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves. We're just starting to enjoy ourselves. And little Bobo is there. Island. Hey you. Bobo. There's Dad. You ready? It's cold. You ready for it? Oh.
I'm ready.
All right, Bobo, are you ready?
Right. So we're going in the water now.
Going in the water.
Yeah. Hello, Bobo. Are you excited? It's gonna be cold. That's for sure.
Funny.
Oh. Water is gonna be cold. Crazy, guys. Yeah. It's very windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because yeah, it's difficult. Last time we came here it was much calmer, but now Jesus. Highland. Water. Oh my god.
Water is cold.
Oh my goodness. Island, you're gonna feel the cold today, boy. This is what now? Your fourth time? Your fourth time in the water. Yes, sir. It's gonna be cold. You gotta be prepared. You gotta prepare for this one.
Ow, not my head. Bobo.
Oh.
You're not gonna lose your ring, are you?
Nah.
I probably will.
Woo, it's not that bad. Well, it is cold, but not that bad. Oh. Hey, Bobo. Hey, Bobo. Island. Cute boy. Island. Island.
Island, Daddy.
Wait. What? You don't answer nothing. You want to come? Splash water. Splash water. Splash water.
Oh yeah, splash water on money. That's what you want to say, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. No, it's not too bad now.
I'm paying.
Jesus Christ, why would you be in the water, babe? Jesus, you can't do that.
Sorry.
You cannot do that. How could you? Huh? Hi.
Hang on. We could go on a boat tour.
Yeah. I wonder what you would cost.
Yeah, we should find out.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. Moo Bay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely. Huh?
This lip just swim a while ago like he feels the cold.
Oh, Baba! Keep him warm. Everyone thinks he's a girl.
I'm too skinny to keep him warm.
Everyone thinks you're a girl, Bobo.
Everyone mistaken him for a girl.
Show them your balls and then they'll know.
Jesus.
Show them your balls, Bobo, and you don't know
Splash
what
water.
Splash water! Oh, babe, wipe his face. Got him. Oh, I saw you, Mama.
Hey, boy.
Hopefully they'll have some soup for you tonight there, Bobo.
You got her. Yeah.
So this is what we call honeymoon, family time.
Pale, pale, aku pengen pale, pale, ano pale, pale. Pale, pale, gano.
How you feel now, Bobo? Stop it, yeah. Splash water. Splash water. Yeah, splash water. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Ooh, nice, isn't it? Cold, isn't it?
Yeah, how you feeling, babe?
Freezing cold.
Come here.
I'm cold.
Come here.
Oh yes, Daddy's warmth is the best. Daddy's warmth is the best warmth ever.
Amazing, man. I love you so much, babe. Wait. Yeah, splash water, sir.
Daddy.
You love the water, huh?
Alright, here, hold the camera.
I can take a dive.
Babe, I lost the ring.
You joking?
No, I'm serious.
What the freak? Babe.
I lost it. I lost it.
Babe, don't joke around.
I lost it, babe. Freaking out.
You wouldn't be laughing.
No, I'm not laughing.
Babe?
I lost it.
If you lost it, you have to stand in the same exact spot and ask someone to come dive it up. So don't joke around like that if you're being serious. Okay.
Daddy got scared. Okay, I've got it. I got my rings, guys. I got my rings, guys.
Yeah.
It was nice to prank her.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, man.
Thumbnail. Island. Look at the camera. There.
Hey, boy.
Hey,
Okay.
boy.
Look.
Hey.
Oh, God.
Shit, come on.
What? Hey, this is a family channel, you know.
I know.
Okay.
I'll put the girls
Ah! Yo, it's just splash water if you have splash water.
out.
Just splash. Ah!
To have fun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Water meant to be splash.
Oh, your eyes, Bobo.
What a splash water, you
He's
bitch.
in camera. He loves the water. He splash,
Yeah,
splash,
look at him.
splash, Daddy-o.
Look at him. Hey, Mr. Bobo. Hey, swim boy. Hey boy.
Crystal clear blue here, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Cold frog, Daddy. Daddy's a cold frog, guys.
Sometimes you have to shake off the water because the audio might be bad.
Daddy is a frog.
Yeah, coming back for the second time, guys.
It's cold, man. It is cold. Like even me just getting out, it's cold.
It's freezing, man.
What did that guy say? Go with someone's enjoying the water.
Yeah, he said it seemed like he wants to go in the water again because he was out there just like chatting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You gotta give me a girl.
Yeah, it's gotta happen. lifeguard off duty, so we just have to take a break. So now, look. What's up? Look at you. Got a nice swim, huh? Didn't you? Yes, sir. Dada. That's a good one. The best one so far.
The best one so far.
Yeah.
Dada.
Nice. Beautiful, boy.
You wanna go, Dada?
Oh, done.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Island. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dada.
What's up? How are you? Oi, what can I let you water business? Eh? What can I let you water? What's the color? Wanna go? None of that's here.
Hi, Dada. What about Mum? What happened to Mum? No Mum yet, guys. Soon, I hope. Fingers crossed. Yes, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the Island family. Comment, like, comment, share, all of the above. You know what to do. Yeah, man. Oh, that's nice. Oh, guys, a little bit of warmth goes a long way. A little bit of warm, Mummy cold.
Let me get the next one. Let me get the next one now. Let me get the next one, baby. Yeah, go for it. Man, can't complain.
More beach clothes already this early?
That's what they say?
No.
It's like everybody's going now. A day I get hungry and babes there.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, just I go and chill still, you know?
Yeah,
You're
not in a hurry.
Yeah.
Not in a hurry, guys, at all.
Yeah, so this is the life, guys. This is the life.
This is the life that we hope one day
we can live more often.
live more often.
True,
Yeah.
true. Yeah, man.
Definitely, you know.
Yeah. Beautiful day.
Absolutely beautiful, guys.
Tell you.
It's so peaceful.
Beautiful. These people, they copyright music.
Hey, fuck with me and get some money. Fudge with me and get some money.
I bring back the basket of water and make the basket miserable.
You know?
The basket, I want to go back to water.
Yeah,
When mommy da water and the basket, but they make clean night.
yeah. Let's have to bring him back, man. Yeah. Get a thumbnail, alright? Let's go. I don't even know if he's looking.
He's looking at you. He's looking. What? We should buy him a little Rasta chain like you. Like Daddy likes son.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Hmm?
That would be nice.
Oh, look, they're wasted, those girls.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful Island looks in the sun.
Must
The
be
little
glowing.
boy, he's glowing, literally. You're glowing. There's a middleman now. It's no
Yeah.
longer me and you now.
Takes most of the attention.
Yeah, there's more attention on him, guys.
When I was leaving the beach,
My hands everywhere. Island's been pulling.
it's getting pretty dark. Everyone's gone right now. Yeah, so go wash your foot and then get a shower at the hotel. So that's what's up. So guys, we're gonna check out the pool area or the jacuzzi, whichever. Bye, Eileen, what you doing with the mask? I mean the camera, huh? I don't know. These are for me. Okay. 6 feet. No diving. Okay. Nice chill spot.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow morning we can
Yeah.
come out here.
Yeah. I wonder where's the jacuzzi. Yeah. No diving in pool. What's this? A tub. Safety rules. Okay. Cool.
What did it say? Shower soap before you come in.
Oh,
Turn into the state food.
okay. Right.
Interesting. Alright. That's nice. Yeah guys, so that's what it is. We're gonna go have a shower now, a nice warm shower. Yeah, here's a mess. So that's where we're going. And yeah, I'm a little bit tired guys from the driving, but I'll be alright. Swimming and driving. That'll be good. Yeah. Alright. Oh, there's a big map there of Jamaica.
This is.
That's us.
There you go.
You got the key. Whereabouts is it?
I don't know.
Nice.
That's so fresh. I saw myself in the mirror and I was like, what the hell were those people inside?
Yeah. Wow.
We're home, Bobo.
We're home
Bobo, we're
for the
home.
time being.